Welcome, class. So what we're looking at is the markings on an H cylinder. Right? If you'll notice here, we have quite a few markings. There's three components to this original marking here. We have ICC. Nowadays, it's usually DOT, and that is the regulatory agency who said that this was an okay tank to begin with. So this used to be the Interstate Commerce Commission or Department of Transportation. Dash, next we have a 3AA, or you may have 3A or 3AL. And that discusses what kind of material the tank is made out of. 3A, 3AA is a steel alloy kind of situation. 3AL would be aluminum. After that, you have a 4-digit number that discusses the PSI rating of the tank as it was manufactured and approved by the ICC or DOT. This one happens to be approved for 2,265 PSI. The number below it, simply a serial number, as you need to keep track of these tanks. The number below that, the manufacturer, Liquid Carbon Company. Now, in addition to these markings, there's some other important markings that every tank will have. Let me flip this up a little bit. Watch your feet. And if we turn here, we'll note this one that's in blue, highlighted in blue. It's highlighted in blue by the testing facility, just so that they know. But you'll see here that it's a 4, a bunch of little numbers, 15, a plus, and a star. 4 and the 15 is month and year. The little bunch of numbers in the center is the markings for a certain testing facility. And that designates, its identification, it's the name of that testing facility. So on 415, this testing facility passed this cylinder as being usable. When they did so, they also tested it to see if it was usable on a couple other levels. Not only did they certify that it was usable, but we note that the plus sign is stamped there, which certifies that it can be used at 110% of its operating pressure, which we looked at on the other side. And the star means it doesn't need to be retested for another 10 years. Normal operation says 5 years. That's it.